Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into the Microsoft account you use for apps and make sure Windows has an active internet connection. Once done, open Microsoft Store from Start or the taskbar. This launches the app catalog and syncs your app ownership. You do this now because the store must validate licenses before showing updates. Make sure Store shows your account avatar in the top right. If not, sign in immediately so update checks will reflect the right installed apps. Next, go to the library or use the three-dot menu and choose App Updates. This triggers a fresh scan of installed apps and games. You click Get Updates to have the store compare local versions against the catalog. This process reveals required downloads and shows each update size so you can manage bandwidth. While it runs, pause non-essential network activity. This reduces failures. If many apps change, the store queues updates and downloads them sequentially to avoid overloading your disk or connection. Finally, tap Update All or individual update buttons and monitor progress in the library pane. You will see progress bars and occasional prompts for permissions. Once updates finish, restart updated apps and, when necessary, reboot Windows to complete component refreshes. If an update stalls, first retry the specific app. If that fails, reset the Microsoft Store app via Settings Apps or run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. If problems persist, check Windows Update for platform fixes, because Store often depends on system components.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.